So Mother's Day was a pretty special day for most of us, and I saw all sorts of pictures and gifts online from kids to their moms. I wonder whether anyone took Elon Musk's advice on Saturday Night Live and bought Dogecoin for their moms. It's a pretty unusual gift, but hey, interest rates are low, and I'm sure the amount of return your mother would make on the investment would be good enough. Who can go on in this world without some digital assets? Not even non-fungible tokens? I mean, digital art for those of us who are not art nerds? I think the digitization of the planet already began with Bitcoin, but its commercialization will continue with Dogecoin. So most of us know over 50% of the US population is invested in stocks or holds some sort of financial assets. Still, many do not own any digital assets. So even though your mom might not worry about inflated cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, why not buy some affordable coins as Elon has bought for his baby? Cute, right? But the SNL stint would not have been complete without a Doge joke. And although there's little to show for it, the self-proclaimed Doge father made his mom chuckle. All in all, the SNL skit was pretty fun, but I think the hype foretold a better outcome for the price of Doge. Before we go any further, don't forget to leave a like on this video, tap the subscribe button, and turn on post notifications, as this helps you stay up to date on what's going on with Dogecoin and developments in the broader crypto market. And don't forget you can also join the channel as a paid subscriber for some exclusive benefits. Check the join button next to the subscribe button, and don't forget to join the free Discord group via the link in the description. Happy Mother's Day to all our viewers who also happen to be moms. I'm pretty sure everyone in the Doge community was glued to their TV screens on Saturday, watching SNL with Elon Musk poking fun at many things with a touch of sarcasm that one should appreciate and expect. If anyone isn't aware, he has poked fun at the likes of Jeff Bezos for losing out to SpaceX on a NASA contract to take astronauts to the moon, and as such, his skit on SNL was very much expected, even though most traders did not get the expected price surge on the price of Doge. However, the currency hit some highs before his appearance, and the meme-based currency appears to be a worthwhile Mother's Day gift. Elon Musk joked on the show about buying some Dogecoin for his mom. I'm sure she owns some assets, but perhaps she hasn't bought into Dogecoin just yet. Speaking of jokes, there's no shortage of those from Elon Musk on the internet. In 2018, he tweeted an April Fool's joke that didn't go down very well with Tesla's stock price. His announcement that Tesla went bankrupt sent shockwaves through financial markets, and people expected that this would be the case for Doge. It appears that Elon Musk has a knack for moving financial markets, for better or for worse. And he managed to get Doge's price up again even as the currency's price fell after his SNL stint. The Tesla boss's impact on the price of financial assets is well documented, even though his Doge effect was pretty muted on Saturday. In fact, Doge reversed some of its gains, and the majority of investors were likely surprised at the dip, even though there were early warning signs when the currency rallied excessively. So I guess if you wanted to buy your mom a long asset that was poised to appreciate, you'd be thinking about Doge. Let's not forget that most of the older generation is skeptical of cryptocurrencies, not least Doge, which has been marked as an investment joke. So his stint on SNL was pretty good, but either the viewers loved it and chose not to buy Doge, or some people took out huge positions which they had to liquidate. However, if I were buying my mom a Mother's Day present, and I didn't this year for other reasons, I think I'd want to buy her an asset that will rise in value. I mean, it's always good to invest in flowers or chocolate, but I think it's pretty cool for any mom to own Doge. The price of the cryptocurrency will go up in the coming months and years, and if the supply cap is implemented, there's no saying the value of Doge will not rise to $10 or even above. We've done a few videos showing why Doge can indeed rise to $10, and that should be a good enough reason to hold the asset. But since we're talking about Mother's Day, let's not forget that Doge is incredibly cheap, and a few $100s could do the trick, so it's an easy investment. So Saturday Night Live started with Mr. Musk explaining that he has Asperger's, and he imagined a world where climate change was obsolete and transportation was clean. He went on to say that he thought it would be nice for humans to explore the galaxy, all very noble, but he didn't really mention Doge in his introduction. Even so, he managed to come up with a pretty cool way to introduce Doge to an older generation of people who either know little about the coin or don't understand cryptocurrencies. Some people have weighed in on the events of Saturday, and Paul Argenti, a professor at Dartmouth's Tuck School of Business, said that appearing on SNL is fraught with danger, but perhaps less so for Mr. Musk, who has already divided the crowd with his approach to tweets and confrontational stance. Some people love him, and others hate him. Either way, his 55 million followers are there and eagerly watching his tweets. So I imagine this is good news for holders of Doge and any prospective investors or their moms. According to a quote from Mr. Argenti, people who like him will love him more for doing this, and people who don't will just find new ways to dislike him. So Elon Musk's appearance on Saturday Night Live was poised to be a market-moving event for Doge. And I don't think it's because of anything short of his tweets, as the Tesla boss has been pretty active on Twitter. However, SNL is followed by millions of viewers, and although Mr. Musk has a large Twitter following of 55 million, he will surely attract new followers through the show. I imagine there have been some questions going around the legitimacy of cryptocurrency to start with. According to a fraud tracker, a series of verified Twitter accounts posted Bitcoin spam targeting followers of Elon Musk. This began before his appearance on SNL, so it's essential to be somewhat careful for those of you buying Dogecoin. Make sure you invest in one of the well-known platforms, and don't hesitate to join our Discord group as well in order to benefit from unique intelligence and a community of Doge holders. In a series of Saturday morning tweets, the users behind the account @MalwareHunterTeam posted screenshots of verified accounts that seem to have been taken over. Although this hasn't happened to me, I can tell you from experience that it does happen. I do have a verified account on Twitter, and a few weeks ago it was hacked and used to spread XRP scams. So this kind of thing does happen. But of course, it's not true, and one can spot a scam when one sees it. First, if you hold Dogecoin, that suggests that you either bought them or mined them. If you're going to obtain free coins, I doubt it will be from a giveaway. Perhaps you will get them as a gift. That would be more understandable. So be vigilant. For now, the selling pressure on Dogecoin remains unabated and continued into Sunday, and it appears that the corrective mode from an all-time high of 76 cents remains intact. This is easily one of the highest price points Doge has seen to date. The currency, by this point, has appreciated well over 12,000%. However, all good things must come to an end, and perhaps the rally was a little bit exaggerated. The crash probably started after Musk referred to it as a hustle while he played the financial expert on SNL's Weekend Update. Doge price hit the lowest levels in 5 days, 41 cents on Sunday, in the aftermath of the SNL show, having clocked daily highs of 70 cents. This was a bit surprising for most people who thought the next support level was 55 cents. And while the currency hit its lowest point, it didn't stay there very long. At the time of recording, Doge is trading at 50 cents, and there are all indications that a new support level has been found. Unless the broader sentiment in crypto markets wane, the currency will likely do well. In the last month alone, the price of Doge has risen by over 800%, and it's now the fourth largest digital currency with a market capitalization of $73 billion. Dogecoin is an affordable and innovative cryptocurrency that'll make an excellent Mother's Day gift. If Elon is getting it for his kid, I see no reason why I shouldn't let my mom join in on the crypto fun. But if we learned one thing from Saturday, it's that cryptocurrencies are volatile and uncertain. However, they do appear to be a credible longer investment, so have fun, but don't get too wild. Remember to invest responsibly, as the Doge father likes to say. Thanks for watching until the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, please consider leaving a like, sharing it with your friends, subscribing to the channel, and turning on post notifications. Don't forget that now you can join the channel as a paid subscriber for some exclusive benefits. Check the join button next to the subscribe button, and you can also join our free Discord group via the link in the description. If you have any questions or comments, let us know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to check out some of our previous videos as well. Good luck and happy investing.